So what is the difference between investing and speculating? So investing is buying living, breathing companies that you expect to go up in value over time. So this is things like businesses, property, or a bond where you're lending money to companies or corporations. Whereas speculating is buying something on the hope that someone else will pay more for it. So you're essentially buying lines of on a screen. Investing is a long-term process, whereas speculating is more short-term. Speculating can be a bit like gambling, like where you're trying to predict what someone else is going to. You're trying to predict what someone else is going to do, whereas investing is buying long-term assets that produce an income. So income follows assets, so it's about buying assets, which is something that puts money into your pocket, whereas a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So just to summarise, so investing is buying assets that are going to produce an income long term, whereas speculating is buying something that you hope that someone else is going to pay more for in the long term. It's more of a short term